Hey guys, how's it going? Fred here from Tools and Gadgets. Today we are going to be cleaning our front load washing machine. So it is advisable to clean your washing machine every 30 cycles. So meaning every 30 wash, you need to clean your washing machine to keep it performing really well. So yeah, let's go ahead and clean it. Alright guys, so this is what I'm using, the Carbona Washing Machine Cleaner. So I've been using this for quite a while now. And it comes 3 inside because I took out the other one. So at Marshall's, it costs around $4.99, but at Amazon, it usually retails around $10 to $15. So yeah, grab one at Marshall's if you can. If you have any Marshall's near you, this is not a sponsored video. So yeah, this is a front load washing machine. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be putting this powder in here. So if it's a top load washing machine, all you gotta do is put it inside directly the barrel. So since this is a front load washing machine, we'll be putting it here. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so for this LG washing machine, we're gonna be taking this out because this is for the liquid detergent. It's not advisable to put any powder there. So let's go ahead and put it here. Let's empty the packet. Okay, so after putting that, let's go ahead and don't start anything yet. Let's go ahead and open this one here. As you can see, there's lots of lint here. So we're going to be wiping that off first. And here on the sides, look at this, guys. So that is a lot of dirt there. And also we'll be opening this one over here so that we could clean everything before we run the tub clean function here. Okay, so let's clean this one first. So if you have any dryer sheets lying around, guys, go ahead and grab one. And what you're gonna do is that I'm using the dryer sheets because the dryer sheets won't tear up when navigating this sides here. So all you gotta do is, as you can see, the lint is trying to hold on to the dryer sheets. That's good compared to the regular paper towels that usually tears up. As you can see, the lint is holding on to the dryer sheets. So let's go ahead and run this, including here. As you can see, there's lots of lint. So yeah, just make sure to clean the gaskets really well so that from top to bottom. And here on the side, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so after cleaning the gaskets here and this one here, we're gonna go ahead and close it. And before we open here, we're just gonna be putting a paper towel here so that when we open this one, we're gonna be taking this out, this one. Let's go ahead and twist it. As you can see, there's a little bit of water gushing out. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull this one out. As you can see, there's lots of lint here. We're just gonna take that out. We're gonna clean it out and put it back in. Okay, so once that is all clean, so that's the reason, guys, why you wanna run the tub clean like once every 30 cycles and pull this one out because there's lots of lint there, guys, so it's really gross. So let's go ahead and put that back in. Just gonna lock it out. Okay, perfect. So we are now ready to turn this one on, and we're just going to be choosing the tub clean function. There you go, and just hit start. That's it. So it will automatically clean the whole drum inside. So the tub clean, guys, usually runs around 1 hour 30 minutes. So it first washes the powder inside to go inside here, and it's gonna wash all the bacteria and all the molds that is building inside. So it has now finished, guys. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, it's now spotless clean, as you can see. So it ran the cleaning, the tub clean with steam in it to kill the bacteria and germs. As you can see, it's all clean. So thanks, guys. That's about it. Comment down below if you have any suggestions, and see you again in the next vlog. Bye.